So let's take a look at using double angle formulas to find exact values. So the double angle formulas are sine of 2 theta equals 2 sine theta cosine theta. For cosine 2 theta, we have options here. Cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta, 1 minus 2 sine squared theta, or 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. And tangent 2 theta is 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent squared theta. Now this is, I've put this in on a sheet and just start building your sheet up, add it to the other formulas you've already been keeping track of. Okay, so how to use the double angle formulas to find exact values. Draw a triangle to reflect the given information. Determine the correct double angle formula. Substitute values into the formula based on the triangle and simplify. So in this first one, we have tangent of theta is negative 3/4 and theta is in quadrant 2. So I'm going to draw a triangle. Quadrant 2. It's not drawn to scale. So here's the theta, quadrant 2, so x is negative, y is positive. So tangent's opposite over adjacent, so it's going to be 3 over negative 4. So our sine of theta is 2 sine theta cosine theta. So our sine theta, so we have 2 times sine is going to, we need the hypotenuse, don't we? So that's going to be 3 squared plus 4, negative 4 squared, equals c squared. So 9 plus 16 is c squared. So 25 is c squared, so c is 5. So it's 2 times 3 over 5 times, and cosine is going to be negative 4 over 5. So we end up with 2 times 3 is 6 times negative 4 is negative 24, and 5 times 5 is 25. So negative 24 over 25. Likewise for cosine, we have some options here. Might be the easiest, I mean really you do what you think is easiest for you. Cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. So we found cosine to be negative 4/5, so negative 4/5 squared minus, and we found sine to be 3/5, 3/5 squared. That's 16 over 25 minus 9 over 25, and that will give us 7 over 25. Now if we look at tangent 2 theta, so that was going to be 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent squared theta. So 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent squared theta. And we already know what tangent theta is. So it's going to be 2 times negative 3/4 over 1 minus negative 3/4 squared, the quantity squared. So negative 6 over 4. I guess I could have reduced that, couldn't I? Do that. Negative 3/2 over 1 minus, and that's going to be 9/16. So negative 3/2 over 16/16 minus 9/16. Negative 3/2 over 7/16. So it'll be negative 3/2 times 16 over 7, because divided by a fraction, so I multiply by the reciprocal. So the 2 and the 16 reduce makes that an 8, and this a 1. So negative 3 times 8 is negative 24 over 7. That's it for that one. Use the double angle formula for cosine to write cosine of 6x in terms of cosine of 3x. Okay, so think of this as cosine of 6x is cosine of 3x times cosine of 3x, or 3x plus 3x, I should say. So that would give us the sum of two angles. So wouldn't that be cosine of 3x times cosine of 3x minus sine of 3x times sine of 3x. So we have cosine squared of 3x minus sine squared of 3x. And this would fit the definition for saying, that would be our cosine of 6x if we consider this as cosine of 2 times 6, so times 3x, like that. That's a double angle formula. One other way to see this, if we said cosine of 6x was cosine of 2 times 3x, where we say u equals 3x. Think of this as, if we had cosine of 2u, would be cosine squared u minus sine squared u. And the u in this case is 3x, so it's cosine squared of 3x minus sine squared of 3x. Okay, and that'll be it for this video.